Hey, this is Michael, and welcome back to me and Paul's channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to find for sale by owner or FSBOs using Zillow. So this is a little tutorial video. But before I dive into this, for those of you new, me and Paul, we talk about buying real estate, selling real estate, and all the extra strategies we use, like buying and managing local and out-of-state rental properties, local and virtual rehabs, local and virtual wholesaling, private lending, owner financing, and more. We got new videos coming out every week. So if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel and click the notification button so you'll be notified of new videos as they come out. All right, so let's get back into today's topic. How do I find for sale by owners on Zillow? And we're just gonna start here, go to Zillow. And if you have an account, you could save stuff. So I recommend doing that, creating a free account. If you don't have one already, you can save your searches. And let's just pick a random county in New Jersey, Burlington County, New Jersey. It's a Philadelphia suburb, and boom, kind of sets up a map here of the county, what it looks like, the borders. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to go to for sale, and you can kind of see here for sale, for rent, sold. Under for sale, you have this drop down here, and then usually when Zillow comes in new, you have them all populated. But you want to unclick everything and just have by owner. So it's for sale by owner. And then you hit done. And then from there, you can see all the red dots and all the properties. Right now, there's 0 listing agents, which makes sense because you have a for sale by owner, and the rest are other listings. And there's 55 of them. But again, we can narrow it down based on price. Maybe you have a certain min and max. Maybe the max you want to buy a house is, call it, a 500K. So you can just click on that filter and you can see it went down to 47 properties. And then you can filter on beds and baths. Maybe you only want to target, 3+ bedrooms or 2+ bedrooms. But, for this example, at 3 here, and that narrows us down to 22 listings. And then from here, home, maybe you just want multifamily or, townhomes or just the homes, whatever it is, you could turn things on and off. Let's just say for this instance, let's take off lots and lands. You actually want some type of property. So hit done there. And then here, there's even more filters. You might want to filter on, like, I don't want more than a 2,000 square foot home, or I want a minimum size of 2,000 square feet. You would, plug that in here. And again, a lot more filters, like the property must have AC. I could do like any here, days on Zillow, or you could search for keywords. But these are some filters. And then if this is a search that you're going to continue to go back to, I would hit save search. I guess there's a problem there, but I don't know what I did. But usually you hit save search. You could, in this case, name it just FSBO, Burlington County, New Jersey, and it would work. And then if we zoom in here, these are all the properties that are available. You could look at them like this, or you could sort by newest or based on price or bedrooms. So the map kind of reacts. So essentially, here's your first for sale by owner. If you want to take a look at it, it's this property here. Again, this might not be ideal for investment property. It looks like it has been updated, but let's just say this was a fixer-upper. You could get the owner's contact information usually right here. And you would call them to, schedule a viewing, or, get more information, or make a, offer over the phone. So again, hope this video was helpful on how to do search criteria for sale by owner in Zillow. And if you have any questions, please write them down in the comments section below. You got something out of this video, please smash the like button and let us know what future topics you guys want to cover. Thanks everyone, and have a great day.